Hello beautiful humans, I'm Brynn, a teenager passionate about veganism and sustainability. Today I will be attempting for the very first time ever to make my own oat milk. So I will definitely give you guys the recipes, I will try it out, see how it works. It's 2 ingredients and it says it takes like 5 minutes, so I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not, but we're about to try and find out. Alright, hello and welcome to my family's kitchen. So the recipe calls for 1 cup of oats and 4 cups of water, and then it just says to blend it for 30 to 45 seconds and then strain it with either a clean towel or t-shirt. Alright, so I just have these oats, and because of what's going on in the world right now, we don't have really much access to both bins, but I do have these Bob's Red Mill rolled oats. Yeah, and these are just what I'm going to use, so it just says to put 1 cup of this into a blender, and here's the blender. Alright, now I'm going to just add in the 4 cups of water. And here we are blending it. It said to just blend it for 30 to 45 seconds, so that is what I'm doing. Alright, and now I'm going to strain it. I just have this clean tank top because I think all of my towels were a little bit too thick to be able to work and strain it effectively, so I just have this. I really didn't want to take a video of me trying to strain it because I felt like I was going to mess up, but it ended up being really easy and all I had to do was strain it and then it was ready to go. Alright, we are back in my room for taste test time. Alright, even when I did drink milk, I didn't really drink it by itself, and I still don't do that, but I will do the taste test by itself, and then I'm also going to be putting it in coffee, which is where I put milk most of the time, is just in my coffee. But I found this little jar. My family has a friend that makes jams and jellies, and she puts them in these jars, and I like take them once they're done so I can use them. So that's what it is, and so I'm going to taste test it now and see if I did it right or if there's any adjustments. I know on the site it was like you can put in different things to give it different flavors, like vanilla, so I'm expecting it to be a little bit flavorless if you're like supposed to put in the flavors, but I'm not sure, so we're about to see. It's not bad at all. Yeah, I don't mind this. This is good. I can see where you'd want to put in like the flavoring, if you didn't like kind of like the blandness of it. But it doesn't bother me, and again, I don't really drink milk all the time, so I mean, I'm not a really big milk drinker. So I mean, this is not bad at all. Obviously it can't be bad if I keep taking sips of it, but yeah, so now we're gonna try the coffee test. So I'm gonna brew up some coffee and we're gonna use it as my creamer because your girl cannot drink black coffee for the life of her, and we'll see how it does. And just a side note, that little mason jar was not the like serving size. I actually had more. I just put it in the fridge because in a airtight container it can stay fresh for 5 days in the fridge. Sounds like it's just about done, so coffee taste test time, so let's go for it. Alright, we are transferred over to my desk so I can pour it and not try to like stand and pour and then like, yeah, I just figured it'd be easier if I sat down and I had a desk space to prepare my coffee. We're not going to talk about that I'm brewing coffee at 1 o'clock. It's fine. I didn't have coffee this morning, so I'm having it at 1. That's what we're doing. So, here we go. Still in my jar. Ready? Here we go. I guess I will hold this up where you can see. I'm kind of scared that when it's gonna like, when I'm trying to pour it, it's gonna like, okay, that wasn't too bad. I didn't really think about mixing it up. All right, back with the spoon. All right, here we go. Let's see. I always like judge if it's enough by the color, but I'm not sure. That definitely wasn't enough at all, but I'm not sure if it'll be different since this is like not like a made sweetener like I usually use. Like I usually use like the Silk coffee creamer thing from almond milk, which isn't the most low waste, but it is vegan, so all right. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more, and if I'm making it specifically for a creamer, I think I would want to add just some vanilla sweetener or some sweetener, maybe like maple syrup or some kind, to just kind of bring out that little sweetness. Yeah, this isn't bad at all after I added that last little bit. This tastes like normal. I would do it again. Yeah, this is good. So all in all, I would do this again. It actually went by much faster than I thought it would. Whenever I saw those videos and they were like, yeah, we make our own oat milk in the morning, I was like, gosh, did they get up at like 5 and like make the but it actually took literally 5 minutes. All I did was put the ingredients, blend, and then it was done. And even if you added sweetener, you just put in it before you blend it all together. So it was really easy. I could definitely do that if I had run out of any milk or sweetener, if I needed something for baking, because sometimes I have all the ingredients and I look in the fridge and I'm like, there is no non-dairy milk. So that'd be a really good, easy fix to that. And I definitely would try this again. It wasn't bad. It was actually really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll have the recipe linked down below, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!